Given trinomial, we have 6x squared plus 13x plus 6. So to find the factors of the given trinomial where a is more than 1, what we're going to do is we need to follow the steps. Everyone, can you read step number 1?
Slide the coefficient of the first term
To the constant, then multiply. Or now, based on the given trinomial, what is the coefficient of the first term? 6. Slide natin papunta sa constant na 6. Then after that, multiply. Or 6 times 6, 36. So write your answer here. Then step 2, write the new trinomial. Now, how to write the new trinomial? So the remaining terms na hindi nagalaw ay i-bring down lang po. Very good. This will become x squared plus 13x plus 36. Meron na tayong bagong trinomial. Then after that, apply the steps on how to find the factors where a is equal to 1. Katulad nung ginawa natin sa assignment nyo. Okay, identify na. Step 1. Identify the values of a, b, and c. Based on the given trinomial, what is a? 1. What is b? 13. What is c? 36. Then step 2, get the factors of 36. Whose sum is 13? Anyone? By the way, what is the sign of 36? Positive. So probably the factors are both positive or both negative. Or what will be the sign of b? Positive. So kaya kailangan both positive ang factors natin. Give me a factors of 36. Anyone? Yes, anak? 9 times 4. 9 times 4. 9 times 4. 36. So this time, get the sum. Tingnan natin kung makukuha agad natin si 13. 9 plus 4. 13. This time, meaning, meron na tayo agad factors. Hindi na natin kailangan isulat yung iba pa niyang factors. So what we're going to do now, write to parentheses. Okay, then write the factors. Positive 9 and positive 4. What is the given variable? X. Then after that, what we're going to do now? Step number 3. Divide what? The coefficient of the first term to the factors. Okay, ano yung coefficient ng first term? 6. So, divide daw natin to kay 6. Okay, do you think we can divide 9 and 6? No, but we can simplify. Tama ba? Then, simplify natin. 9 and 6 are both divisible by what? 3. Very good. So, 9 divided by 3? 3. 6 divided by 3? 2. So, ito na ngayon yung new fraction natin. Dito naman tayo, second binomial. Okay, 4 and 6 are both divisible by 2. So, 4 became 2 and 6 became 3. Okay, now, pwede po bang i-divide yan? Kung hindi na, mag-slide na tayo. I-move natin yung denominator saan po? Sa harapan ni x. Magiging 2x plus 3. Very good. Ito naman po. 3x plus 2. So, therefore, this is the factor of the given trinomial.